Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to use actual budget in 2025 for tracking personal finances step by step. Step 1. Go to actualbudget.org and download the app for your operating system, or use the cloud version if you prefer the online sync. Step 2. If you don't have one, you can try the demo. But if you download it anyway, open the app and create your first budget file. You can name it something like 2025 monthly budget file, just like that. Step 3. Add your accounts. This includes checking, savings, and even credit cards. You can manually enter balances or connect via YNAB compatible import tools. Step 4. Set up your income and categories. Add your expected monthly income and list your expenses under categories like rent, groceries, transportation, and etc. Step 5. Start budgeting. You can allocate money from your income into categories. This is the envelope system or actual budget uses. Step 6. Record transactions regularly. You can import .csv files, or you can manually enter transactions to match your actual spending. Step 7. Check your budget reports. You can go to reports to view the charts and analyze your spending trends across weeks or months. And now, you can take full control of your personal finances using actual budget in 2025. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.